As you know, time is money. Why not save a little of both when connecting cable to boxes? A typical electrical installation of metal-clad or armored cable to a steel box or enclosure entails multiple steps and requires the use of both tools and hardware. The process is typically labor-intensive, slowing down completion time and biting into your bottom line. Introducing the Topaz line of snap lock connectors. Topaz's snap lock connectors are the one-product solution enabling fast, tool-free installation of cable to boxes. Installations take much less time using the snap lock 90-degree connector. The project is finished in just 3 easy steps, even when cable must bend to fit. No tools are required and no additional components are needed. The SnapLock 130 DSP is designed for straight-in installations. Even faster cutting installations are accomplished with the 130 CSL, with no damage to existing walls. Always in stock and available for fast delivery, the SnapLock connectors are backed by the Topaz lifetime guarantee.